Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is glowy, juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done. I am ready for this. I was made for this. Why is it that yesterday I was on TikTok live getting ready for bed? So I was doing my skincare. I was wearing a t-shirt. The t-shirt was just above my knee. I wasn't naked. All of these people who constantly insult me were there insulting me. And someone said, oh, he's naked. After a while, my TikTok live went down and TikTok suspended me for 3 days. One thing you are never going to stop me from being is being a sexy, glowy, hydrated, moisturized Igbo homosexual from Njikoko local government area of Anambra State. Everybody in my freaking village knows I'm a homosexual. Let's get into the outfit, please. This baseball cap is from Esprit. This shirt is from Ralph Lauren. This denim pants is from Bershka. Sleeveless blazer or vest, however you want to call this, from Mango. Prada Monoliths. Love them. My man calls them some name. Baby, what do you call them? He said they are Herman Monster shoes, but they are really, really lightweight. 3 bracelets and my wristwatch from Tommy Hilfiger. What I was saying is that TikTok especially is a platform where I have been suspended so much on my live stream, where people speak to me crazy, tell me that I'm going to be unalived, that I'm not going to die well. Some of them will pray and say, I rebuke you in Jesus' name, and a lot of things. I barely respond. If I respond once, what I get is, you have violated our community guidelines. How is it that it's me that is getting the homophobic insults, is the one being censored? I'm still going to be me. I'm never going to stop posting on TikTok or any social media platforms. Pistachio perfume from Labolorio Lido. Le Disi Home from Isimiyaki. This tote bag from Longchamp. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. I will continue to be me. Nothing is going to stop me from living my life unapologetically. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.